This is Luke from Total Parts Pro today with the 2013 Holden Colorado, stock number 6602. This ran from the 1st 2012 to the 6th 2016. It has an LW 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a LW 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door 3 dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,